lemon bars with cake mix. I'm doing a whole bunch of recipes today, so I didn't clean out my bowl. I'm just going for it. So I got the cake mix. And an egg. And my vegetable oil. I always keep it in a little squirt bottle because it's easier. Which I need to refill. Okay, so we're gonna mix this all up. All right, then you're gonna take a 9 by 13 pan that is ungreased. And you're just going to push this all into my pan. All right, we're gonna bake this for 15 minutes. Okay, got my base out. We're gonna let this cool and then we're gonna make our filling. So I just realized I totally messed up the recipe because I am Tara and that is what I do. All right, so I was supposed to hold back 1 cup of the cake mix that I'd already mixed together for a topping. Oops. Okay, so this is why you guys love me in spite of myself. So I am going to just forge on, and what I'm going to do is make just my own topping, because I mean it's just the typical topping that you put on what do you call it, like coffee cake. So I'm just gonna make that, so you'll know how to do it if you do the same thing. I am sorry, I am Tara. Okay, then my lemon juice. Normally, I don't have lemons on hand. I just happen to have lemons on hand. And I use the True Lemon packets. I love these things. These are the best invention ever. I will link them in the description below for you. But normally, that's what I use. All right, now my sugar. And we're going to mix this together. Oh my goodness, I can see how that's gonna be delicious. Okay, since I messed up, I am going to take 1 cup of flour and, oh, I don't know, 1/4 cup of sugar, rest of the sugar. This is why you guys love me. Now, I would put this in there, but because I have my lemon, oops, I forgot. I got it. Oh, I'm tired. This is like my 6th video today, and while I'm feeling good, when I have good days, for those of you who don't know, I have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. When I have a good day, I try to film as much as possible because then most days I don't feel good. So this way I can still keep content going. Of course, if you've noticed, I have had a long break in my content because, well, I just ain't been feeling it, guys. I'm sorry, I just ain't been feeling it. Okay, so then I'm gonna add some butter just to hold it together. Now, if you follow the recipe on the website, it will tell you to reserve 1 cup of the 1 cup of the base mix, flour of the cake mix. But since I forgot, this is what I'm doing. Part of this is to show you guys how to fix your mistakes. By the way, if you want a darn tootin' good lemon bar, right here, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1, my original recipe for lemon bars. Absolutely love them. This is just an adaptation using cake mix and cream cheese. Okay, don't think that's quite enough butter. So I'm gonna add just a titch more, just to make it more crumbly. Crumbles should look like, for your cake mixture, I know that that's, you know, good enough. So here we go. All right, I have my mixture here. And I'm going to put my cream cheese mixture on. Whoops, almost dropped the bowl. My hands are hurting from my fibromyalgia. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta take a deep breath and keep on baking. I'm almost done. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Yum. Okay, then we're gonna take our topping, crumble it on top. Okay, now we're gonna go and bake this again, and then we'll see if I did okay. Okay, here is my lemon bars. Oh, yum. I will get one of the guys in here and have them taste test.
These look amazing.
They're lemon bars.
Wow, yum.
Lemon, cream cheese lemon bars.
Did you already get the picture?
I did. So
Cream
we're
cheese
just
lemon bars.
going for the taste test now.
Mmm.
Are they good?
Mmm.
Yay!
Man, this is extra good.
Yay!
I've had lemon bars before. These are a little different than the other lemon bars.
Cream cheese.
I like it that they kind of have the crunchiness and the brown crust thing on the, oh, yum. It's delicious.
Yay!
Mm-hmm.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off. Okay, I am making coffee cake. Flour and my sugar and my salt and so I mix all my dry ingredients together first, and I've got my baking powder. And my shortening. Now, I like to use my fingers to mush up my shortening all around, but if you don't want to do that, you can just use a spoon and just keep pushing the shortening lumps into the flour until it all breaks up. Okay, now, oops, got a couple of lumps of sugar because my sugar's got hard. Okay, now I'm holding back 3/4 of a cup of the flour mixture. And I don't have any regular milk, so I'm using my dry milk here. Mixture all together. Now this is like a thick pancake batter type mixture. Get my pan, spraying it. Put my batter in my pan, just like so. Okay, now I'm going to take my butter or margarine, whichever you want. Margarine is a lot cheaper right now, so that's what I'm using. Going to melt my margarine. All right, got my butter and my cinnamon. And my brown sugar. And my topping. Oops. Where'd my spoon go? Oh, there's my spoon. Okay. I'm going to stir this all together. Then you're just going to take your topping, put it all around. Now, another adaptation that I do when I'm feeling lazy is I just make the batter and add an extra, I just add the butter into the batter. And then what I do is I just take cinnamon and sugar and sprinkle it on top. That's how I do it the lazy man's way. Now, this has no eggs. So right now, while egg prices are super high, never seen egg prices this high in my life. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake at 350 degrees. The recipe is in the description below. Ooh, just dropped it. Lovely. Okay, I let my coffee cake go about 5 minutes too long, but oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. This is Boy's favorite. Chocolate zucchini cake. I am cranking out the videos today, so I am not washing anything. Right there is my cutting glove. Now, this is the greatest thing ever. My mom got this for me. Thank you, Mom. And don't scrape your fingers grating or cutting if you're a klutz like me in the kitchen. All right, there we go. Now, this thing can just go straight into the washer, which is great. All right, chocolate cake mix. And my oil. And my milk. Now, because zucchini is super watery, I do slightly less milk. The recipe is in the description below. And then my eggs, and I do milk instead of water. You can use water if you want. Then if you want, you don't have to, you can add chocolate chips. Now I use the mini chocolate chips and I only use about 1/3 of a bag because they're smaller. You get a chocolate chip in every bite. Just stir that in. Got my trusty pan my mom gave me when I first moved out on my own. This thing is 50 years old. It's always been faithful. All right, we're gonna pour that in. All right, recipe is in the description below. We're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, here's my double chocolate zucchini cake. Oh, yum. It looks delicious. Okay. Oh, yum. There we go. Do we have Mike come and taste test a bite?
Oh, if I must.
Okay, here we go.
I can't believe you want me to eat chocolate. What?
I know.
Am I just gonna eat it like it's a sandwich?
Yep. You're just gonna go for
That's
it.
how you eat cake?
Yes.
Let him eat cake.
Let him eat cake. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. This is really delicious.
Yay.
Super moist and chocolatey. And I'll tell you what, I used to never want to eat it because I thought, ooh, it's going to taste like zucchini. No, it doesn't taste like it at all.
It
It's
just
totally
adds
like,
moistness to
it's
it.
a totally moist chocolate cake.
Yum. 2-ingredient apple pie cake recipe. So I have my angel food cake here, the one that says just add water. My apple pie filling. This part is totally optional, but I always add a bit more cinnamon and nutmeg just because I don't think it has enough, but it's totally optional. All right, gonna mix this together. Oh, yum. All right, then we're gonna take our 9x13 pan and grease it. So now we're gonna spread all this around. Now if you want some really delicious apple pie, right here, Dining on a Dime Volume 1, it is the best apple pie you will ever have in pie crust. This one we're just gonna call what? An apple pie cake. How about we call it that? There you go. We're gonna bake this in the oven, then we're gonna come back and cut it. Here is my 2-ingredient apple cake. Now, this is very optional, but if you want, you can add whipped cream or whipped topping. Oh my goodness. Yum, this looks so delicious. Jack, do you want a taste test or do you want Dad to be on camera taste testing? But you want Dad to be the man? You want Dad to be the star? Okay.
I'll try it and see what I think. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Ooh, it smells delicious. Mmm. Yum. That's like an apple pie. That's really good. Mmm. Yum. Super delicious.
2-ingredient cake here. This is so stinking easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. All right, got our bowl. Now, this is the angel food cake mix that you just add water. So it has everything that you need. One can of pie filling. This one is cherry, and we're gonna mix this one all in. Oh my, that is looking so delicious. All right. Now, we're going to spray our pan. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, yum. If you don't get the bottom stuff, just get it mixed in as you're pouring it in the pan. Okay, now we're going to spread it in the pan. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees. Oh, yum. Oh, this smells so good. There we go. Okay, there is our angel food cake. We're gonna let that cool and then we will cut it. Okay, I have it cooled. It's very moist. Yum. Oh, that looks delicious.